This is the night of the Hurricane Sandy coming to Toronto, and it's supposed to hit really, really hard about 10 o'clock tonight till about 5 a.m. And this is what it looks like now, if you can see it. It's pretty scary on my balcony. These are my Jive Bunny scarecrows. This is my balcony, if you can see it. I'll just stick my camera out here for a second. Can you see the blowing? I put up like a guardrail and it's all down now. Okay, it's pretty darn scary out there. The winds are pretty high. It's got to be about 60 miles an hour right now. Easy. Okay, so Jive Bunny reporting 24/7. And this is Hurricane Sandy coming to Toronto. Hi, this is the Jive Bunny reporting 24/7. It's now 10:30 at night, and it's really getting scary. My balcony is going crazy, and there's flying debris everywhere. A woman was killed at St. Clair and Keele at 7:20 by a flying sign that killed her. And there's so many new buildings, you know, in the area that are going up. You know, you never know what's going to fly at you. Nothing's really tied down. Even my balcony, you know, I put a little fence up, and I tried to wire it down, but it looks like, I don't know. Anyway, it's really scary here in Toronto right now, and it's going to continue on till about 5 this morning. Okay, so Jive Bunny reporting 24/7 from the Esplanade. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's getting really scary. I can't believe what's going on tonight. Can you hear the wind? I'm going to go out into the hallway, see if I can see my balcony. By the way, this is John Bon Jovi. I sell Avon, so. And this is my witch. Listen to the wind in the hallways. I'm gonna go see if I can see my balcony from the window. Oh, this is the scariest night. I know Toronto's getting clobbered by Sandy. They say it's a cyclone now. It's about 11:30 at night. If you can see my balcony. Oh my God. Anything could hit the window, you know. If I would have known, I would have taken everything off the balcony. I don't know if you can see the things just. Okay, so Jive Bunny reporting 24/7. And Hurricane Sandy is hitting Toronto. Got so much construction. Not so much rain, just high winds. Okay, so Jive Bunny reporting 24/7 from the Esplanade during Hurricane Sandy.